So since I last talked about this stock, it has already went up by 40%. Although it is not much as per the market and market participants' expectations, but it is a decent amount of return. And I would definitely suggest you to check out my previous video. Along with that, what we are going to discuss here is the next trend in the weeks and as well as in the months to come. So hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the long-term chart of In Vivo Theriaptics Holding Corp. And I've talked about this stock last month, January 2021, and since then, as I told you, it's been up by 41%. Now, you may find this price a bit abnormal because I think the price has not been adjusted yet properly. But anyhow, it won't matter the trends and the levels, because anyhow we are not going to go beyond a certain level for the time being. And one more thing, if a split or some bonus kind of thing happen, it will adjust the price, but trend will be the same, so there is nothing to worry about. Now the thing is, let me take you to the line chart. I'll show you something interesting that has recently happened. So these are the very small or minute things, and if you can observe, because the moment you start observing things are going to change for you, and that's for your betterment. Now if you observe what I did, I just made a line which previously you can call as your resistance line, but now let me show you. Here we have, now as you can see here, because a breakout has happened and the stock has retested the line, and technically it is very sound, that as you can see here, let me show you the levels. So at 1.03, which was the support, because it has made a breakout above this line, so now it will become a support. It has taken support exactly at that point and starting moving on the upside. So the first thing you need to understand is the support line. So if the stock falls below $1, there is no need to carry any trend further on the downside. Now as it is holding above 1.03, and if it continue to hold like that, so in the long term, the levels that we are going to discuss or need to look at, obviously previous high, its recent high is 1.8, 1.9, that need to get crossed. So this is also an important level. Okay, so this one again need to get crossed. It will give you confirmation. Once it gets crossed, there are one or two levels that you need to look at. Okay, so these are the two levels that we are considering for the long term. So the first target will be 1.95. if it get crossed, then you have second target at 3.9, and once the stock sustain above 3.9 or $4, it can extend up to $10 on the upside. So these are the trend or targets that we are looking here, and let the stock decide where it want to go. But in any case, it must not fall below $1 on the downside. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.